So today's video is proudly sponsored by American Modified. All their information will be in the description below, so you guys can go ahead and check out their products if you're interested. They've sent me a new Rebel style painted grill that you'll see me installing in this video. And honestly, I am very shocked at how close the paint match is on this painted bumper and the quality of it. But you'll see the whole process of removing the grill and installing the new grill. First things first, you got 4 10mm bolts holding the top of the grill down. And once you get those off, you can just kind of pull straight up and out. When you guys receive this package, there will be one box that includes the grill and everything else inside. As you can see, the paint isn't chipped, faded, nothing is damaged. It has the 3 LED lights on top, with 3 individual harnesses coming off the LEDs. Comes with the instruction manual with, weirdly enough, a Ford F-350 on it. Then you got the lighting harness, which has 2 stripped ends for your power and ground. That goes to a 3-way splice for the 3 connectors for the LEDs. And inside the box, you also have 2 center top mounting brackets, and then you have 2 end brackets as well. Inside the little bag right there, you guys have 8 locking bolts as well as 8 10mm bolts, and then you'll get 6 Phillips screws to mount the side hangers on. Here I am installing the 8 10mm nuts onto the locking bolts for the 2 front hangers. Now the 2 front hangers have an indent on the top part that is supposed to go on. They are also labeled left and right, even though I don't really think that matters. So one little modification that you're going to have to do is their middle air flap. It needs to come off because there's not indents in the aftermarket grill like the stock grill has to fit it. So we had to pull like 6 Christmas tree clips off in order to remove that little flap, and then the grill fit perfect. Then once you have all the bottom clips and the 2 locking Christmas tree clips in the very bottom of the grill clicked into place, you can go ahead and bolt the 4 10mm bolts back up, holding the grill secure to your ram. And then you got to do a quick fitment check. And then some B-roll. I wired the grill lights into my low beam headlights. Just used a little, like one of those splice crimper thingies, and then I grounded it to, there's a ground bolt right on the firewall on the left side of the truck.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed.